Okay, so in week one, I just want to show you guys what you should be doing. So if you look at the week one, these are called modules, these blocks with the dates on them. And as you know, you need to start here with the knowledge probe. There's only a few questions, I think there's 10, and it's about you. So if you could just go in there, please, and answer those questions, and then I will review those. This is mandatory for you to do before you can move on. As you notice, it says complete one item. And this is the item that has been marked. You will not be able to advance without completing that. Next, if you go into Learning 1, these are your objectives. And an objective is a goal or something that you need to learn within this unit. So here it says during week 1, you're going to list the top 5 most common resume mistakes. Describe strategies to make sure your resume is seen by employers and recruiters. Utilize resume templates, which is what we're going to do for our assignment this week, and also effectively complete a job application. So those are our goals for this week. They're under learning objectives, and again, an objective is a goal. Okay, that's the knowledge probe. Hold on one sec here. Let's move this to the next one. Okay, so the next link there is week 1 presentation and resources. And you remember one of the objectives is to be able to identify the resume mistakes. You're going to want to use these little arrows right here, and you're going to click on those arrows to actually download this information. And then you can read about the top 5 resume mistakes. You'll be able to find the Job Seeker's Guide to Applications, so if you click there, and then a resume template, a reference list, and then a sample resume. A sample resume is a good idea for you to look at so that you can see what your resume should look like. And then I included these 2 videos here for you just to help you out. I do want you to watch both of them. This is job applications, form success, because you are required to do a job application for one of your assignments this week. And then resume summary versus objective is the next one. And I want you to watch that one as well. We can take a look at the sample resume here. And then again, I clicked on that, and so it's telling me to save it to my desktop. So I'm going to save it to my desktop. And then I'm going to be able to open that up for you so you can see it. And then this is what yours should look like when you're done, right? So your name will go here, your address and city, state, and your zip code, your phone number, all of your personal contact information will be up here at the top. And then next here, this is an entry-level administrative assistant position that they're trying to get. And they are using, let's see, administrative supportive professional, offering versatile office management. So here they're using a summary. It summarizes what they can do for the employer. Next, they listed their education and then relevant courses, some of the courses. So you're going to want to do that too. You'll list Remington College and then some of the courses that you've taken. Your key skills will be outlined next, just like this. And then your experience will be listed. Now, sometimes it'll be from a job that you've had. So you're going to use your most current experience or your most current job first, and then you can list backwards. So this is a really good reference for you to take a look at. All right. And again, that's under the week 1 presentations and resources. And we're going to click next. And then the week 1 activities, these are your assignments. The first one I'm going to show you is going to be creating your resume, and the next one is submitting a job application. All right, so I will go through those in the next 2 videos.